Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll be doing the grammar concept that is going to. Do you know when do we use this going to? This term that is going to, it is used when we have to do some activity in future. Okay. For example, somebody is asking you like what you'll be doing tomorrow, what you will be doing tomorrow, है ना? Or where are you going? I am going to the market, means I am going, like, but here going to, or the pictures which are given over here, see it, going to is going to first of all remember that it's a tense form, and that is you're going to talk about the future tense, that I will be going to my friend's house, I will be going to picnic, I will be going to my auntie's place, something like that. Okay, but here you are not specific, you are not sure about it also, you are certain also, and at times you are sure, yes, you are going to do, in both the ways. So here we are going to make we have to use the word going to in question also and answer also. Okay, and now first let me explain you about this. Okay, let us begin. Okay, now children, pay attention. Okay, let me take the pen in my hand. Here we are going to study going to. Okay, going to, है ना? Now when while framing the question, one thing you have to remember in this, we'll be doing the worksheet over here na? One thing you have to remember is that when we are talking about one noun, when there is only one, we're talking about one person, you are going to begin the question with is. When you're talking about the two person, then you're going to begin the question with are. So the picture is going to tell you whether you have to begin the question with is, or you have to begin the question with are. Okay, let us, without the picture, we'll try to make it. Okay, now for example, okay, I will need more space. So first I'll erase it and then I'll write again. I'll make this more smaller so that more space is there. Okay, now for example, uh, is is a dog going to bark? Okay, or is the girl, is the dog, also the, also you can write is the girl going to dance? ठीक है, this is how you have to make. When you, now here you're talking about only, there is only one dog and here only one girl. Okay, and but here the question formation I told you, but let us is, and we'll write is the dog. Okay, and in the worksheet they have given the picture, and they have given the action also, that yes, this is going to happen. Okay, now for example, you know, somebody is asking is the dog going to bark, and the dog is about to open the mouth for barking. So what we are going to write? Yes, the dog is going to bark, going to bark. Or instead of I taught you pronoun, yes, it is going to bark. Okay, beta, it is going to bark. Similarly, we'll begin with are now. Okay, let us begin with ARER. Are, when we will use ARER? When we are talking about more than one noun, more than one person. Okay, are the children, see, children means many ना, बहुत सारे बच्चे. Are the children going to, that is G 1 minute beta. G-O-I-N-G. It's not clear. I'll write again. Going to play. Okay. So what should the question answer? Yes, they are. Now see, you have learned the pronoun also. Children बहुत सारे. So they are going to play. है ना? Isn't it easy? So just what nothing but just the use of going to in the question in the answer. क्या वो डांस करने वाले हैं? क्या वो पढ़ने वाले हैं? द सेम थिंग गोइंग टू तो हम लिखेंगे हाँ वो डांस करने वाले हैं, हाँ वो पढ़ने वाले हैं, एंड इट डिपेंड्स कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1% और 2% बेटा. It is as easy. So let us begin with the worksheet beta. Okay, and let me go off from here and we'll begin with the worksheet. Write the question and answer using going to and use the word below each picture. Now अभी ध्यान देना यहाँ पे all of you. Yes. Now see here the plane and the crash. This word is given to you. ठीक है. This plane and the crash. What is it? The spelling of plane is given and crash action word is given to you कि अभी action क्या होने वाला है. Got it beta? So is the plane going to and you have to take plane spelling is already given and ये the क्या करने वाला है that is the clue is also given to you. Okay beta? So we'll write is the plane going to crash. So you have to write crash here, but the thing is that I need to bring it down and then I'll write. Here I can write is the plane going to crash. Okay, now I'll take it up and I'll spread it out so that the things are clear for you. Now 1 minute, I forgot to put the question mark. That is very important children. It's a question, so question mark लाना जरूरी है बेटा. Okay, now we'll write the answer. Is the plane going to crash? This is the question. Is the plane going to crash? So what should be the answer? Yes, the plane is going to crash. ठीक है बेटा. Okay, next. Now here two people are there in the picture. ध्यान से देखो दो जन हैं. That is why ARER. ये ध्यान देना. 1% plane एक ही था तो is. Here two people are there, so are the men. Men भी MEN men है more than one. Are the men and now see it is given. Men और क्या करने वाले fight. So यहाँ पे लिखना अपने को are the men. First write going to fight. Question mark. So answer yes. Action में बता रहा है yes they are going to fight. ठीक है. Okay, let me take little upward. Okay, now we have to make the question now. ठीक है. अब ध्यान देना बेटा. Sorry. Now we have to make the question. Please pay attention. Now can you see one lady sitting there? She is a Nirmala. ये निर्मला है बेटा. And ये right. ये action word भी दिया है right. Okay. Now वो अकेली है. She is alone. So we'll begin with is. Okay. Is Nirmala. Now name is given, so we will write Nirmala. Is Nirmala going लगा दो बेटा. Going to और ये दिया है right. WRITE question mark है ना. Is Nirmala going to write? So answer yes. और निर्मला की जगह आप क्या लिखेंगे She is going to write. Isn't it easy? Yes, Is Nirmala going to write? Yes, she is going to write. WRITE है ना, easy. Next. Now, कौन है ये? Oh ho, your friend monkey. How you jump from here and there. Monkey also does the same thing. Now, here monkey is given and jump action. Okay, come on, we'll start. Is the monkey, yes, going to jump? Question mark. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, it is. Monkey के लिए क्या आएगा बेटा pronoun? It. It is going to jump. है ना? Understood बेटा? Okay. Now there's one more, last one. Why it is not okay? Wait, I'll bring it to the normal. Again I'll take it. Okay, zoom. Okay, what is the last picture? Let us see why it is not. The things went so well. Why? No, what happened? No. Now see, there is a picture you see in your worksheet. बेटा ध्यान से देखो, वहाँ पे है शेखर and it is written drive. Okay, Shekhar is the name of a person. हाँ, good. Here I got it. Yes, I got. Now what is right? तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? He is alone. So is शेखर, कभी भी नाम कैप से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए बेटा. Is शेखर going to drive? Question mark. So what will be the answer? Yes, comma, he is going to drive. DRIVE. ठीक है बेटा? Next, now let me bring it to normal. Now we'll come to this. This is very easy. Now this is a crossword puzzle beta. Okay. Now this is a crossword puzzle. All the words in this crosswords are verbs. Okay. Now across. Across का मतलब पता है आपको? Across means what? Across means this way. Wait, let me take the pen in my hand. Across means this way बेटा and down means this way. ठीक है, across है, देखो यहाँ पे भी दिया हुआ है across arrow and down it is given here way. Okay, so he is saying the above the numbers are given over there. What is number one? They are down. ऐसे करके down जाना है आपको. ठीक है, first we will do this. Can we guess what is this? Sing. 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 तो आपको नंबर वन में आपको लिखना है. ओके, दैट इज SING. डाउन का मतलब ऐसे जाना है. SING. Sing. ओके, नाउ what is number 2? Okay, this is number 2. This is bite. 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 So now you have to see the number 2. Where is number 2? Number 2. Yes, this is number 2. ये 2 है बेटा. ठीक है, so BITE. Bite. Okay, then where is number 3? यहाँ पे है number 3. Let us see what is given in number 3. Number 3 they have given drink. DRINK, drink. ठीक है, let us write drink here. DRINK. Okay, then it is eat. EAT. So let us see number 4. Where is number 4? Number 4 is here. This one. EAT. Eat. Okay. Sometimes you get this in the newspaper also. है ना, उसमें भी आप सॉल्व करने की कोशिश किया करो बेटा. द नेक्स्ट इज स्किप. SKIP. स्किप. दैट इज़ नंबर 5. देखो नंबर 5 कहाँ पे है. वेयर इज़ नंबर 5? इज़ हियर. SKBIT. BITES. That is number 5. SKIP. One square is missing. SKIP. One square is missing here beta. Skip. Okay, then comes the number 8. LAUGH, laugh. Let us see number 8. Okay, where is number 8? Where is number 8? Here it is. Number 8, LAUGH, laugh. So LAUGH, laugh. Okay, then comes across. अभी across मीन्स अपने को वर्टिकली जाना है बेटा. ठीक है, अब across में करेंगे. नंबर 3 इज डांस. DANCE, डांस. Oh, why this line? Okay, now number 3. Here it is. DANCE, है ना. Half of the letter is already written. Then next is C. SEEC. That is number 5. Where is number 5? Oh, the mistake I did. Sorry. हमको डाउन जाना था बेटा. सारिका टीचर्स ऐसे कैसे चले गए? दैट वाज वंडरिंग कि लिख क्यों नहीं रहे हैं. सी बेटा, number 5 down. Number 5 down. That was 1 minute. Number 5, let me first once again see what is it. Wait, यहाँ पे था number 5, SKIP, skip. Okay, once again. First we'll do once again. Now yes, SKIP, skip. Okay, then let us see once again number 8. Sorry, number 8 is laugh. You have to go down and I did horizontally better. Sorry. So where is number 8? Laugh. LAUGH, laugh. Extremely sorry, I went vertically. Across चले गए सारिका टीचर. Now once again we are coming to number 5, C. ये हो गया SEE. देखो एक S ऑलरेडी लिखा था because we have already written downward, that is SKIP, skip. Okay, now comes the number 6, that is, okay, let us see here. What is that? Think. THINK, think. That is number 6. Number 6 कहाँ है? Where is number 6? Here it is. T-H-I-N-K, think. Okay, now this is S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Okay, sleep. So see number 7. So S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Here it is. Okay, then the last is fight. F-I-G-H-T, fight. D-H-T, sorry, this is T, huh? Fight. Let us see now number 9. Number 9, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Yes, it's done. Now we come to the, now see children, below, now see below it is given, you come to question number, in the question number 3, ये question number 3 है बेटा. यहाँ here you have to paste the picture of your routine activities in a proper sequence order में आपको लगाना है. And which picture? This picture. Wait, I'll show you. ये पिक्चर आपको जो दिया है ना, फर्स्ट विल पुट दिस इन सीक्वेंस. ओके, चलो पहले आप रात को सोते हो, सो दिस इज नंबर 1. यू स्लीप, है ना. देन यू गेट अप, यू ब्रश योर टीथ, सो दिस इज नंबर 2. आफ्टर ब्रशिंग योर टीथ आप क्या करते हो? यू टेक बाथ. ओके, देन आफ्टर टेकिंग द बाथ, देन व्हाट यू डू? यू हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट बेटा, सो दैट विल बी नंबर 4. आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट यू गो फॉर योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, नंबर 5. and then you play. This is number 6. ठीक है. आप रोज क्या करते हो? Every day what you do? Every day what you do? This is what you do, है ना. See, sequence में once again I'll explain. First you sleep at night. When you get up, second number 2 देखो, brush, you brush your teeth. Number 3 you take bath. Number 4 you have your breakfast. Number 5 you sit for your classes for studies. And then number 6 you play. अब ये पिक्चर को, आप सीक्वेंस को, ये पिक्चर को, दिस पिक्चर you are going to paste over here. Those picture in sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ऐसे आपको यहाँ पिक्चर चिपकाना है वो एक्टिविटीज़ के. ठीक है. That's all for today beta. हाँ, okay, take care, God bless you. That's all for today.